Hi guys, so you've created your cam and now you need to add some reference geometry so that you can add this into your automata simulation in Inventor. So I have this cam, and what I want to do is I want the center of my cam to line up with the center of my follower. So I need to add a plane. I'm going to go up to this plane tool and click the down arrow. I have a bunch of different choices for what kinds of planes I can add to my part. For this case, I'm going to want a midplane between two planes. I'm going to click on that. I'm then going to select this face and this face, and you can see that I've created a perfect midplane right through the center of my cam that'll allow me to line it up with my follower. The next thing I need to do is I need to add an axis down the center of my the hole in my cam so that I can line it up with the shaft. If I go over next to plane, there's a little symbol here that's called work axis. Go ahead and click on that, and then I can come in and choose this inner circle. Let me zoom in a little bit. So this inner circle, I choose that, and now it has added this axis here. I can grab the end of my axis and extend it. I recommend doing that. It makes it a little easier to find when you have a bunch of parts moving around. Okay, so now I have a midplane and an axis. You can also add a plane going in the other direction if you'd like, in order to kind of lock it in line with your shaft. But for most purposes, these two will get you everything you need. So this midplane will line us up with our follower, and our work axis will lock us on to our camshaft. Good luck, enjoy.